Hi. I have a Frigidaire refrigerator leaking a pale yellow fluid from the front corner and the ice maker does not make ice.
When did you last replace your fridge's water filter? How old is the fridge?
I moved in 7 years ago. I do not know when filter was changed.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Ice maker for a year. We relpaced some component in the back where the water lines connect.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. I'm sorry for your trouble. Do you have the model number?
Customer attachment May 14, 2021 4:39 and 31 seconds p.m. FFHS 2312 and S0. You still there?
Okay, thanks. Sorry I lost connection. Are there frozen cubes in the actual ice maker, not the container?
No, the bar that goes up and down is stuck in the middle.
Okay, thanks. Is the freezer cooling properly? Okay, thanks. With my experience, this means the ice maker is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number 241,798,231. It is fairly easy to replace. Copy and paste this link, it will look different but it comes apart the same way. https://u2.b/1idzlboy. The video above will show you how to replace it. You can order it from reliableparts.com, repairclinic.com, searspartsdirect.com, partselect.com.
Okay. Thank you. And is this a separate issue than the leak coming from underneath?
You are welcome. Yes, that is most likely coming from the drain pan underneath that has dirt or food built up in it and has leaked out. No reason for concern. You can remove the lower panel on the back of the refrigerator to wipe or clean it. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me.
There is nothing in the drain pan, we checked that.
Then most likely something was spilled on the floor. There is nothing on the refrigerator that works cause this. All the sealed system lines are copper, the freon is a clear, and the water lines are plastic. There is no oil or anything like that.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.